When I went to school for architecture, every day is an R&D project. Sitting down and learning about the way that one architect does something or another architect does something or how pieces fit together. And then we go into the working world and we stop exploring as much. The R&D research grant program here at PAE in Luma started out as an idea to foster internal collaboration, to foster idea generation internally, and really give an opportunity for people to develop ideas outside of the normal day-to-day work, but to do it within a framework that was supported by the company. It's a one-year grant. Every year we choose a different team, different couple teams. And so for me, it's bringing some of the creativity, some of the wonder, some of the exploration back to an industry that can be a little overwhelming when it comes to finding efficiency and, allowing that creativity to exist and be out there and be seen as something valuable.
The process of our research really started with the idea of developing a zero-waste light fixture, so a fixture that was designed from totally upcycled components.
I really just wanted to get a solid understanding of the technology behind what makes microgrids work.
For this grant, we worked on fresh air, looking at a conference room. Actually, the conference room we're in here in the Bullitt Center, and we call it Fresh Air Reset.
The idea that we are helping to solve the world's water and energy challenges presents an opportunity for us to really make innovation a core principle of the firm and the projects that we work on. The R&D grant program is meant to foster sort of a multidiscipline, interdiscipline collaboration as well. And so it's not just focusing on a mechanical idea or a lighting idea. It's meant to bring those perspectives, those multiple perspectives that we have in the firm together. And it's not just our core design and engineering groups as well. It is also meant to bring in our business groups, our marketing, our graphics, our project coordinators, finance.
I think one of our big successes is the success that our presentation has had and just the continued invitations to come and present.
A lot of people have suggested that they're going to try to shift the way they specify fixtures. Contractors have been really receptive when we reference sustainable manufacturers.
There were a lot of people that genuinely didn't have the answers, so to have us as designers in the field, knowing where to look, knowing who to ask, I think they were excited to see the results and the information so they could apply that to their practices, which is ultimately our goal with what we're doing.
A lot of times in our projects, we're trying to get a deliverable out the door, and we don't really have time to take that next step and ask the questions, well, what about this? And the grant's the chance to dig deep and ask those questions that we always kind of wonder and don't always have time to answer.